everybody. It's Melissa coming at ya from beautiful sunshiny Oregon today. Because we have tons and tons of sunshine. It is absolutely beautiful. And I would take off and with my husband and drive to the beach, but we have chores to do. So they're kind of important chores for me. Alright. I got a small little teeny tiny haul for you guys. Finally went into Michael's. I did this last week. I've been busy. I've had my baby girl over here and everything. So I have been MIA for good reason. But anyway, I've only used a couple of these because I was trying to be good to show you guys. But I finally went into Michael's one day last week, and they still didn't have a lot, but I was able to find these three of their new floral collection. I still didn't get the one, and I forget exactly what it's called, but it was one that they released a little bit prior to this spring release. Oh, and excuse the dogs because everyone's out today doing their, working on their lawns, and including my husband and everything, and so the dogs are freaking out. So I'll try to keep them quiet for you. I'll try. No promises. But anyway, the one that had all the really beautiful, vibrant purple florals, I forget the name of it, but still haven't been able to find it. But I did get these three, and I was happy. And Michael's was having, of course, their 40% off sale. So they were like 11 and some change a piece instead of 20 a piece. But this one is the pressed florals. And then I love this one, sophisticated florals. Because we all know how sophisticated I am. And then the colorful florals. So I'm just, whenever it says florals, I'm on it. I just am. Okay, drink of coffee. Major need in my life right now. I try not to make those disgusting sip and swallow noises when it's kind of hard when you're sipping and swallowing. Coffee, okay? Just coffee. Okay. So let's go through this one a little bit. I haven't used a lot of them, just a little here and there because I couldn't stand myself. I'm actually waiting to get my Kiki K order, and I'm going to set up my A5 and put a bunch of it in there. But anyway, this one is pressed floral, so I think it's kind of like the one they had previously. They had the two, the pressed florals, and then oh gosh, I can't remember that, but I have them. I have them. They're here somewhere. But this has really pretty, I love colors like this. I love this. I saw the Happy Planner that had this cover. I wanted it so bad, but I'm like, Melissa, really? You already have a Happy Planner that goes through December of this year. My classic does. So, I'll have another one too, the one that has my name on it. Which I think I'm going to get that one out and use the cover on that one on all of my stuff because I really like it. But anyway, back to what I was saying. But it is beautiful. If you, are on the fence about a Happy Planner you want to buy right now, the one with this cover, oh my gosh. Even on the inside, the dividers are just amazing. It's just so pretty. So pretty. So anyway, got that, and then this theme, which I think this is the actual cover to it. This theme just continues all the way through. But look, you guys know I'm a purple girl, which is why I want that purple paper, sticker pack so bad. But I love just bloom. I'm trying to bloom. I'm not a big fan of yellows. I use them just to use them, but all these colors, oh yeah. And then, of course, I also want the book that has just the little written, words out in it. I think that's kind of cool. On days when I can't write, because there are days I can't write. Look at that. Oh. I want to make dividers. The ones that are really, really beautiful, I actually try not to use them in spreads because I know those spreads are going to go away, so I try to use them as something that I can keep forever if I want to. So I try to do like laminated inserts and things like that for my planners. I even put them in my Bible or just somewhere where they're not going to just be there and then gone in a week. I want them there forever. So those are just beautiful. See, it's gold foil if you can see it. And then green foil. Look at those. Those are the, you know what? I may make my own cover for my happy planner. I've got the flowers. All I have to do is print out a purple piece of cardstock, put the flowers all over it, run it through the laminator, and hole punch it, and there we go. I got 2 pages of them too, so I could do that. I could do it. I would like some. The laminating paper I have is not really strong though. It's kind of, you know, thin, but great for dividers, but not for covers. So I'm going to have to, even when I do thick cardstock. If I had a piece of cardboard that I could cut down, then print out the color I want on cardstock, and then glue that together, and then put my flowers on top, and then run it through a laminator. Just thinking outside the box here, ladies. Thinking outside the box. So more beautiful shiny flowers. Look at those. Those are all purple. I love it. I love it. I do. So hey, no. I think the puppy must be coming in the door because they're really going nuts. Come here. Buddy, come here. Come here, say hey to Mama. Shush. Jojo, come here, say hey to Mama. They're like, there's something coming in the door, Mom. Hey, come on. I'm going to corral you. I bought them a corral. They don't like it, but it helps me out when I'm doing things. When company comes over, baby girl comes over, just put them in their little corral. I'm not an orange fan either, but I love these pastellies here. It's really, really pretty. The one color orange I have found that I do like a lot is this one. And this is my current KKK that I'm using, but it's kind of a sherbet color. And it's a beautiful color. I like it. It looks like remember the push-up ice creams? Looks like that. Looks like a push-up ice cream. Come here. Look at there. Love that. Love everything about it. Not a single thing I don't love. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So you have all the color themes, so you can like do, you know, a theme a week, whatever you want to. Just whatever you want to. Believe you can, and you can. That's what I'm saying. Whatever you want to. Just bloom. I love that. Gotta find something really special to put that on. Really special. There you go. To make again, we're talking about another Happy Planner cover. Put flowers on. Oh, yeah. And then, see, I've used some of the little words. But I didn't use a lot, so hey, that's progress for me. Here is the next colorful one. I'm going to save the sophisticated one for last because, you know, sophisticated ladies were patient. Excuse me. All right. Again, now these you've got some of the darker ones in. So this is the colorful florals. I don't like yellows and limes. That's okay. Love. I did use some of those. There was some more stuff in the middle, and yeah, I used that. Sorry. But you're getting the idea, so hey. I'm sure, well, there's tons of people that done flip-floos of these when they first came out. I couldn't find them. Ugh. And I always love these. These just really, because I do when I design my own, you know, inserts and stuff, I use a lot of stuff like this because that way you're not stuck with a color, you know, choice that you can't finish. Oh, in case you guys are wondering about my gross nails, I've been painting a lot, and so I'm still getting paint everywhere. Been doing a lot of redecorating and crafting and all that fun stuff. Oh, I love those. Especially love these two. Love that. And this I thought was, oops, pretty. These I love. You got bloom, grow, happy, and then you can just put these however you want to put them. Hope you can see it. Yeah, see they're foiled. So, so pretty. So pretty. Those are really pretty. I would love to have these. I like this one, but like to have this like with a gray, not a dark gray, but like a medium gray background with the white flowers. That would be pretty. That's so my aesthetic. It's my aesthetic. We all know my aesthetic is whatever I like at the moment. More little shinies. You got lots of little shinies in this book. Oh, and see, there's another bloom one. Don't like that color, though. Ugh. Don't even really like that one. I like that one. And I've used a couple of those, if you can see. Plus, you get some more of these. So very grateful for... I mean, I love the ones that say things about being grateful. I'm not a huge person that is, you know, with all this new self-care stuff. It says put yourself first. And, you know, being a Christian, I put God first. And, you know, and then everything else comes after him. So I don't really like those sayings. But I love the ones about being grateful and, you know, bloom with grace. I love that. That's beautiful. Now these are not black. These are gray. And then you get some numbers and some letters too. So like if you wanted to make, you can make colorful little bookmarks. Put them on a piece of vellum paper. I don't know why I can't think right now. Okay, so put them on a piece of paper like this at the top, and then just laminate them and boom, cut them out. And then you can have your own little dividers. Let's say daily, monthly, whatever you want it to say. And I gave you a few of those too, so that's kind of cool. And then more flowers. I love these because these are dark gray too. Love those. So that's the colorful florals. And then here is the sophisticated florals. Oops, I knocked you guys around. I just love these colors. Love these colors. These are like, some of the minimalist things that they've got, the sticker books, and I love it. I love the minimalist sticker book. So I'm liking all of this stuff here. You know, because sometimes you just don't want to be bright. You want a layout that's just really sophisticated. Like that one, full of grace. That's pretty. Bloom. Oh no, full of gratitude. Excuse me. That's a full of gratitude. So love those. No rain, no flowers. It ain't it the truth. So beautiful. And then these, I saw these and I was like, I'm not quite sure what I want to do with those. I mean, you're supposed to use them as like bullet points, but I don't know. Another one, my joy. I love this. You got bloom. And that big joy. I love this to put on things. And then look at that. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? It says, I want daisies in my hair, peace in my heart, and love in my soul. And this one says, full of gratitude. I'm going to make some pretty things with these. I am. Bloom with grace again. Let go and grow. Let go and let God. That's all we do. We let go and let God. And this is a light gray. A light peachy tone. Darker gray. Then you got all of them. Look at those. See, when you got something that big, if you use like a big happy planner, that's cool. But for me, this is perfect for making a beautiful... Oh, I could have shown you, but I don't have it in here. No. Anyway, I love either like putting them on pre-made dividers that you may have with your planner, or making dividers using them, because they're so beautiful. So beautiful. Like I said, just too pretty to only use for a week or a month. They need to be around forever. And I like stuff like this, because then you can make really nice places in your planner that aren't huge. But these colors, I love that. That stone color. Oh, that's so pretty. And then you get more. And then more. Love them, love them, love them. This is a beautiful book. All of them are beautiful. All of them. Whether you're a neutral girl, colorful girl, whatever. They're just beautiful. Makes spring feel even that much closer, it does. Of course, spring is here. It actually kind of feels like spring today here. still get down to 30 something tonight, but it's still, you know, feeling spring, which I like it when it's cold at night. I sleep so much better. I don't mind telling people that I sleep so much better. Hey, you, no. Who do you think you are? No, you're not that person, so stop it. Stop it, stop it. So I'm working on, and I'm messing every one of them up is what I'm doing. Stop! Here comes Poppy. But I'm working on making inserts. I actually bought A5 pre-punch paper. Hey! Come here. Now. Stop it. Come here. Jojo. Jeez. You would think I have a pack of wolves in here. Which I would, and I'd snuggle with them. You guys know I would. But anyway, but back to this. I am working on being able to print on these A5. You know, they're already cut. They're already punched. And I just keep messing them up the way I want to. And I'm doing something wrong with setting my sizes according to the paper. And I have made some beautiful inserts that I want to use in my A5 when I set it, the new one up when I get it. And gosh darn it, I'm having issues with this paper. But if all else fails, I'll just print on my regular size paper and trim them down and punch them myself. But I was just so stoked about getting a pad of paper that's already the right size and pre-punched, and I thought it would just cut out the middle. Man, it's turning out to be a lot more work, at least for my brain, and we all know that can only do so much. So anyway, okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you got all the Happy Planner books that you want, sticker books, and hope you got the Happy Planner you got. That was me. That really, really was me. Oh, my life is a sitcom. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. See, my obedient little terrier comes running to me every time. The Chihuahua stands over there and goes, no, I'm barking. Deal with it. Okay. Anyway, love you, bless you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.